Some people chase love, others become the chase. True seduction isn't loud, it's a whisper, a pull, a gravitational force you can't explain. And every zodiac sign has its own way of making you crave more. Aries, the thrill of the chase. Aries doesn't wait for you to notice them. They lock eyes, they tease, they dare you to keep up. Their energy is reckless, wild, and magnetic, making you want to chase, even when you know you shouldn't. Taurus, the slow burn. Taurus seduces with patience, lingering eye contact, and an undeniable physical presence. They don't rush, they let desire simmer, drawing you in with soft touches, a sultry voice, and a promise of something unforgettable. Gemini, the mind game. Gemini's seduction isn't just in their words, it's in their rhythm. A glance, a smirk, a clever comment that makes you wonder what else they know. They keep you on your toes, teasing with possibilities, never letting you settle. Cancer, the soul connection. Cancer doesn't seduce in the usual way. It's in the way they listen, how they see you when no one else does. Their touch lingers a second longer, their presence feels like home, and before you realize it, you're addicted. Libra, the irresistible charmer. Libra seduces without trying because they are the fantasy. The way they tilt their head when they laugh, the effortless way they move. They make you feel like you're the only one in the room until you realize everyone else feels it too. Scorpio, the unspoken desire. Scorpio doesn't seduce. They consume. Their eyes hold secrets, their energy pulses with unspoken promises. They don't chase, they pull, making you lean in before you even know why. And once they have you, you don't want to leave. Sagittarius, the untouchable flame. Sagittarius seduces by being just out of reach. Their laughter, their wild stories, the way they make you feel like life is an adventure waiting to happen. You fall knowing they can't be tamed, and that's what makes you want them more. Capricorn, the silent temptation. Capricorn seduces without a word. It's in their confidence, the way they own a room without needing attention. They're the slow glance from across the room, the promise of something deep, powerful, and worth the wait. Aquarius, the mystery you need to solve. Aquarius seduces by being different. Their mind is a maze, their thoughts unpredictable. They don't try to impress you, they intrigue you. And just when you think you have them figured out, they slip through your fingers. Pisces, the dream you can't wake up from. Pisces seduces in a way that doesn't feel like seduction at all. It's in the way they make you feel like you're in a dream, soft, surreal, intoxicating. They make you want to lose yourself, to let go, to fall, even if you don't know where you'll land. Seducing without trying isn't about tricks or games, it's about essence. Every sign has its own way of pulling you in, of making you crave more, and once you're caught in their orbit, there's no escape. True seduction isn't about effort, it's about presence. It's the way a glance lingers, the way a voice wraps around your mind, the way someone makes you feel without a single touch. Every zodiac sign has its own magic, its own pull, its own way of making you want more. And once you've felt it, once you've been caught in their gravity, you'll never forget the way it made you need them. If you're drawn to the mysteries of astrology and want more deep dives into the Zodiac's most irresistible secrets, make sure to subscribe, and hit the bell because trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.